Hello, this is Rachel Lopez, and I'll be talking to you about my Flappy Bird clone assignment. Throughout this assignment, I faced multiple challenges, and the one that I really noticed the most was being able to move through the new update and figuring out how different it was for the new update to the old update. And the challenging part was really understanding how everything worked. And the way that I was able to work through this was being able to change something in the project settings and so that both updates were able to work at the same time. A bug that I faced in this assignment was while working with the restart button. After writing the scripts and adding it to the restart button wouldn't click and it wouldn't reset any of the game over and the bird or the pipes, and it was a big challenge for me because I was so confused because I followed the instructions and it was the exact same thing with the script. But the thing that I realized and was able to fix was that I used the wrong button sprite, and the correct button sprite was in a different tab, so I had to rewrite or re-put the correct button sprite and rewrite the script so that it could work, and it worked perfectly. One Unity concept that I believe I got a better understanding on is the UI text. Last year, it was really difficult for me to understand how the UI text worked properly, but for this assignment, I was able to figure out how to use a UI text more efficiently. And I learned that you're able to use different fonts, and Unity gives you a couple assets for that, or you're able to find or create your own assets for fonts. And you're also able to use text or use text as an image instead of a font, which is really interesting because I never really understood that last year. If I had more time on this assignment, I would have probably organized the projects file so that it could be more neatly, and also fixed the animation for the Flappy Bird if I didn't feel so rushed. This concludes my Flappy Bird clone video assignment. Thank you so much for watching.